Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today video is another different video from my video collection, general video collection. So last Saturday I attended a machine learning session organized by Microsoft Learn Student Ambassadors MLSA Sri Lanka community. It was a fantastic movement, fantastic session with expert speakers, hand-on sessions and even a quiz. I will take you through my journey from the moment I entered the session to the end of the session. Let's get started. I'm now in Microsoft Sri Lanka, which located in Access Tower, Colombo. I arrived here around 8:30 am. There was a bit of rush with so many participants. Let's head inside and check it out. I'm sat on the middle table and you can see how was the session room. Already display the flyers on the screens. We had two speakers, Mr. Vinayak and Mr. Sahan Disanayaka. First sessions covered by Mr. Vinayak. Now you can see some clips of the session 1.
It has either full words including spaces, but even larger words like anthropomorphizing is actually broken down into 3 tokens, whereas ChatGPT also is not such a big word, but it's also broken into 3 tokens. Wherever local inference is needed, like for example, let's say you're building on a small Raspberry Pi or those kind of boards, SLMs will work very well.
He conducted a session about an introduction to SLMs and reasoning models using AI toolkit with Visual Studio Code, VS Code and FitTab. After that, Mr. Sahan Disanayaka started the session 2. He talked about machine learning workflow design with Azure with hands-on activities. He is working as data scientist at Air Arabia company and also he is a gold MLSA.
You want mic? I think people can't hear you. I can't hear it. It's very low. Okay. I think from say any kind of say Java app or web app is the work doesn't stop once it's deployed to production. Right? So maybe you should talk a little bit more about that and how in like maybe Air Arabia, how do you make sure that when there is a drift, how do you fix that? Because do you sample the?
We conduct the session with full field knowledge and we gain more insights and knowledge about the machine learning with how work with the Azure. After the sessions, we had an exciting quiz to test our knowledge. I decided to participate and guess what? I won a sticker. It was such a fun moment with this event. Before wind up the session, Mr. Vinayak want to take a group photo with all participants.
Any questions? I'll let me also ask you. Most people search. What type of model is OpenAI O1?
Once the session ended, I got the chance to interact with the speakers and the other attendees. It was a great opportunity to discuss ideas, ask questions, and expand my network. Overall, my Saturday was well spent learning about ML, connecting with professionals, and having an amazing time with MLSA event. So, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for exciting content. See you in the next one.